Title: AI/ML Model Cost Components in Luxury Car Engine Manufacturing. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. Breakdown. Pie chart: cost components distribution. Raw material cost, 30%. This is the largest portion of the costs, indicating that raw materials are the most significant expense in luxury car engine manufacturing. Assembly cost, 20%. The second largest segment, highlighting the labor and processes involved in assembling the engine components. Subassembly cost, 15%. This includes the cost of assembling smaller parts before they are integrated into the final product. Machine planning cost, 10%. Costs related to planning and setting up machinery. Material consumption, 10%. The cost associated with the materials used during the manufacturing process. WIP, work in progress, cost, 5%. The expense of partially completed goods. Finished goods cost, 5%. The cost of goods that are ready for sale. Dispatch planning cost, 5%. Costs related to planning the dispatch of finished products. The pie chart visually represents how the total costs are distributed among these components, giving a quick overview of which areas are the most expensive. Bar chart: weights of cost components and cumulative weights. Title: weights of cost components and cumulative weights. X-axis: cost components. Lists the same cost components as the pie chart: raw material cost, assembly cost, subassembly cost, machine planning cost, material consumption, WIP cost, finished goods cost, dispatch planning cost. Y-axis: weights percent. Represents the percentage weight of each cost component. Bar colors. Each cost component is represented by a different colored bar. Raw material cost, 30%. Assembly cost, 20%. Subassembly cost, 15%. Machine planning cost, 10%. Material consumption, 10%. WIP cost, 5%. Finished goods cost, 5%. Dispatch planning cost, 5%. Cumulative weights, orange line. The orange line represents the cumulative percentage as each cost component is added sequentially. Starts at 30% for raw material cost. Increases to 50% when assembly cost is added. Reaches 65% with subassembly cost. Continues to increase as each subsequent component is added. Ends at 100% when all components are accounted for. Interpretation. Detailed breakdown: the bar chart provides a detailed view of the individual weights of each cost component. Cumulative impact: the cumulative weights line shows how each cost component adds up to the total, helping to understand the overall cost structure. Comparison: combining both charts offers a comprehensive understanding of cost distribution and the cumulative effect of each component on total manufacturing costs. Together, these charts provide valuable insights into the cost structure of luxury car engine manufacturing, highlighting key areas for potential cost optimization and better resource management. Explanation of the code. 1. Data initialization. The program defines two lists: cost_components and weights. Each cost component is associated with its corresponding percentage weight. 2. Creating the bar chart. A bar chart is created using Go.figure. Each bar represents a specific cost component and its weight. The color of the bars is set to a distinct shade for better visibility. 3. Layout customization. The chart layout includes titles for the main chart, the X-axis, cost component, and the Y-axis, weight percent. The Y-axis is configured to range from 0 to 35% to ensure all data points are visible and easily interpretable. The X-axis labels are rotated for better readability. 4. Displaying the chart. The chart is displayed with the command figure show, providing an interactive experience for users to explore the data. How this chart helps management. Visual representation. This bar chart provides a clear visual representation of the cost structure, allowing management to quickly identify which cost components are most significant. Data interpretation. By seeing the weights of each component, management can prioritize which areas to focus on for cost management and optimization. Strategic decision making. The insights gained from this chart can inform decisions about resource allocation, budgeting, and identifying potential areas for cost reduction. This approach can enhance understanding and facilitate discussions around cost management within the organization, leading to more informed strategic planning and operational efficiency. Thank you.